A presentation on uprising with the tribals by Group 3 We Grow Together.
The tribal population, being conservative, was interested in retaining the existing salient of their society. Tribal movements were inspired by revolutionary tendencies. They wanted to make use of the situation to fight and eliminate evils and ill tendencies that existed in the contemporary tribal society. A complete summary of the tribal rebellions during the British rule in India is discussed in the coming pages.
The socio-economic status of the tribals. In India, tribal communities have been residing since the past, and even in the present existence, there are tribal groups throughout the country. Tribal groups are the people that are normally isolated and dwell in forest and hilly areas. The educational levels are low amongst them, and they are engaged in various kinds of jobs such as selling products. Some migrate to other regions to work as agricultural laborers and so forth. What are the major problems faced by the tribals? Loss of control over natural resources, lack of education, displacement and rehabilitation, problems of health, gender issues. Before the coming of the British, the tribals enjoyed unhindered rights of ownership and management over natural resources like land, forest, wildlife, water, soil, fish, etc. But after the British rule, they had gone all the independent life. Lack of education. According to the 1991 census, nearly 70% of the tribals are illiterates. Although it cannot be denied that education can act as the instrument for betterment of the tribals, ensuring greater participation for them. Displacement and rehabilitation. After independence, the focus of the development process was on heavy industries and the core sector. Problems of health. Because of the economic backwardness and insecure livelihood, the tribals face health problems such as prevalence of disease like malaria, cholera, etc. are more in them. Gender issues. The degradation of the natural environment, particularly through the destruction of forest and rapidly shrinking resource base, has had its impact on the status of women. The education of tribals. Tribal society is far behind in education and in raising their social and economic status and thus integrating them in so-called men-dominated world of today. The large majority to population in tribal areas is backward due to the correlation on least adoption of educational technology.
To some extent, education of this natural and pertaining to rural development has been attempted even before independence and as part of community development block program. However, education has been limited to certain sectors and schemes where extension service has been created primarily for execution of schemes prepared at the state or national level.
Conclusion. The founding fathers of our constitution were very much familiar with tribal problems and provide legal protection for their upliftment on the basis of various articles and cases in the Indian constitution.
Thank you.